I'm going to show you all the pieces on the new kit. We painted them all pink to make it way easier to see. So here's the driver's side rear of the subframe. The skid plate goes onto that. There's our subframe puck. Up here you can see the steering coupler extension. To correct that. New sway bar links go in. Way up at the top of the strut you can see the cap that goes on top plus the preload spacer inside. Up towards the front we have this nice zigzaggy subframe drop, another subframe spacer up there. There's the passenger side, same thing all the way back. This didn't get painted pink, but this is the new drive shaft hoop. All the way down here we got some new little spacers. You get to the back, you can see the subframe bracket drop, the puck on top of the strut, and back here we have all of the other pucks for the back of the subframe drop, and then new longer bolts spaced out. And there is the driver's side strut thing. So there's a quick rundown of all the parts you got to put in for our giant kit. Now, more detail later.